What's up, guys? Today is day 1528 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the US, and we are currently in Quartzsite, Arizona. We are about to leave Quartzsite and we're making our way westwards towards California. Our next stop is going to be Joshua Tree National Park. So come along with us. We're about to leave the campground here at Quartzsite. This is American Trails Campground, an RV campground with full hookup. It's almost 11 o'clock. We haven't eaten breakfast yet, so we're just going to be topping off the water here and just cleaning everything up, and we're going to be on our way in a minute, and we're going to go grab some breakfast. And this is our campsite. You playing with the dripping water here? Are you getting yourself all wet? Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, there's some water on the rocks there. We got to get going. It's almost time to go. Let's go in the front. One last check. Ready to go. We're gonna get breakfast at a local family restaurant nearby here in Quartzsite. Just 5 minutes away. Let's get some gas while we're here. This is gonna be the last gas station before we get into California for some expensive gasoline. We're right here. 3 times family restaurant. This is what we're gonna be having today.
3 times or times 3?
Times 3, I'm sorry. Times 3. All right, let's get some breakfast here. Times 3 family restaurant. Wonder if there's gonna be a wait. It's like a local favorite spot here. This is a very classic diner, family restaurant here. Get some breakfast. Good thing there's no wait. What are we gonna get?
Oh,
Oh, that's a good way to say it. You're sitting on mama. Yeah. You wanna do another one? Let's do some stacking. Can we stack a little bit higher? Quartzsite, Arizona has the largest flea market and rock and gem show. All right. Breakfast is here. I got the steak and eggs with some home fries. Rena got the Alaskan cod burger. Burger?
Yeah, sandwich.
Sandwich burger with some tater tots. Check on the steak right here. I asked for rare. It is still a little red, so perfect. Alaskan cod?
Yeah, the fish is really thick.
Yeah.
It's flavorful.
Nice.
I still need tartar sauce.
You can have some baba.
Potato. And then if you want to stay here for the summer, it's like $900
Oh.
for 6 months.
There's a lot of ATVs around this town. Yeah, you don't need a car here. So small
you
here.
can rent an ATV. I see one of the campgrounds that you can rent the ATV.
Oh, that's nice. Maybe we should rent an ATV one time and ride around. All right, now that we're done with breakfast, we're gonna be leaving the town. We're gonna continue making our way westward, and we're gonna head over to the next bigger town where there's a grocery store. We're gonna stock up. I think it's in Albertson there. So we'll stock up on a few things before we head over to Joshua Tree National Park, and that's gonna be probably another hour away from that town there. So let's get going. The town that we're heading to is Blythe, California. It's about a 20-minute drive from here. We're about to head into California now. This is the inspection station. I wonder if they're gonna make us stop this time. All right, good. We didn't need to stop, which is good. This is California, and we are on Pacific time now. Let's fill up our drinking water and pick up a few things here at Albertson.
I just shine you exactly.
Very nice of you.
Up some eggs here. Vital Farm. Vital Farm. Eggs, isn't it? Eggs. Gotta be careful with it, okay, bud? Yeah. Eggs are quite expensive. Alright, what do we want to get? You want to do lobster?
I'm just telling you. Lobster, check a out.
Oh. The New York strips are $10 a pound, so I got 3 steaks. We're gonna make one for dinner tonight. I get a pack of chicken leg quarters. We can remove the bones. We can make the gai pa. It was gonna be so good. The chicken. Flour. You see, there's a chicken in here. We're continuing our drive over to Joshua Tree now. We're gonna be camping in some BLM land just right outside of Joshua Tree on the south side of the park. So let's over there now. It's gonna be about an hour drive from where we are. Spencer should be taking his nap while we're driving, and then we'll hang out at the campsite for the rest of the day. Are you wearing Dada's sunglasses? Is he the only toddler that spreads his legs open when he's napping? So funny. Alright, we're getting pretty close. You can actually camp here already. There's a camper already on the right side here. Well, let's go in a little bit more. Get away from the highway here. We're seeing a lot more campers here now. Yep, we are going to be camping along this area as well. This is where the iOverlander app is showing there's some camping spots here. Alright, let's find a spot here. Some rough roads here. Alright, let's find a spot that's a little bit more open and away from other people. What do you think over here? On the left? That should be a decent spot there. This one? Alright, let's do this one here. See if we can level it out. See how level this is. This spot here is a little bit unlevel. Let's just try to find another spot. Dandy over here. I don't want to go any further. Spencer just woke up from his nap. What's up, Spence? Only nap for like an hour-ish. Yeah, we're gonna hang out at the campsite here. Alright, let's put our shoes on. Let's go outside. Yeah? Let's put some shoes on. Let me show you guys this area that we're camping at. Pretty quiet. There's neighbors around us. There's one right behind us here. There's one here, one here, one here, one here. It's not awfully spaced out, but this will do. It's not bad. You know, we still have our own private area here, which should be enough for us. Right, bud? Haha, you got your bubble gun here. Bubble one. Whoa, check out the blanket Rena's making. How cool is that? It's like colors are changing. It's like gradually changing from light blue to like darker blue. How big is it gonna be? Is it for Spencer?
Yeah.
How big is it gonna be?
I'm just gonna finish this.
How much do you think? How much bigger do you think?
Maybe like this more.
Another like 5, 6 inch?
If I want it bigger, I can get another roll of yarn to make it bigger. But
I think this is enough.
I think this is good.
Yeah. Really, really nice. Crummy. I think so. Yeah. Just one side. quite nice, isn't it? Is it nice? Is it nice here? It's not bad, isn't it? The moon is there. I see it. You see a little bit, huh? That's the moon, isn't it? This right here is why I really love van life. We are in the winter time wearing short sleeves. Beautiful weather right outside of the national park with our family hanging out here in the middle of nowhere. Not many people around. Just enjoying the outdoors with the comfort of our home right over here. I mean, this is what van life is really all about. Just hanging out like this. And just out here camping. You want a banana? And most importantly, this is a free camping area. This is BLM land, so public land, probably up to 14 days. I don't know if they enforce or anything like that. And this is like just a couple of miles away from Joshua Tree National Park, so the south side of it. And tomorrow we're going to be heading into Joshua Tree National Park because we have a reservation for the campground inside Joshua Tree. So we'll be here today and we'll head out. We'll start driving. We'll start making our way into the park sometime in the afternoon tomorrow. I think that's the plan for now. And the reason why we booked a campground inside Joshua Tree and not just stay outside in free BLM land is because of the convenience of having a campground inside. The drive from here into some of the more popular spots in Joshua Tree is still like 50 minutes away. So it's still a bit of a drive. And if we're staying at the campground, it's like 5 minutes away, 10 minutes away. So it's like really right there. So that's the real reason why I'm staying in the campgrounds, is just for the convenience, being able to go around without having to lose time just on the drive, which is super important, especially with a toddler. And you know, during the nighttime when we're done doing what we want to do, we can just go into the campground really close and not have to drive a ton just to find a place to sleep afterwards. You enjoying the banana? Banana? And we can use the shovel. Yeah, you want to do more? A, B.
Yeah.
Yeah! Quite nice, isn't it? You're quite cozy, Spence.
Very cozy.
Quite nice view, isn't it? Is that a nice view, Spence? You see the mountains in the back? It's quite nice, isn't it?
What's a better way to crochet when you can crochet at different places every day?
With some nice views. All right, let's get started with dinner. So now we're going to be cooking a steak, chicken leg, and I'm going to do some hot dogs as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to season this, and we're going to put this on the cast iron. And the chicken leg, I'm going to take out the bone and we'll make a fillet out of it. Let's cut this chicken leg and remove the bone. I'm gonna season the steak using the Montreal steak seasoning. I'm gonna add a little white pepper to the chicken here just to get any bad smells out of it. Just a little bit. The rest of the steaks I got earlier, I'm gonna put them in vacuum bags to keep them as fresh as possible. I bought 3 steaks before. We're eating 1, so we're gonna put these 2 away. This little handheld vacuum has been awesome. We've been able to keep meats fresher using this little guy. Perfect. Alright, perfect. These can go in the freezer now. The view from the kitchen here is just gorgeous. Look at that. All right, let's start cooking. The fat that I'm going to be using is beef tallow. I'm just going to go right in the pan. Let's get this thing smoking hot. Then we'll put the steak in. All right, now it's smoking. In it goes. I'm going to be using the cast iron press here. A nice sear on this thing. My first target temperature is going to be 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it gets to 100, that's when I'll start basting it with the butter here, and then I'll add the garlic, the thyme, and then my actual target temperature is 116 for a medium rare. Alright, let's get it up to temperature. This is on the grill for maybe like 2 minutes. Give it a quick flip, see how it looks. Oh yeah, starting to get a good sear. Flip this thing. And put the press back on. And I got my thyme plant right here. Only a few more. This is pretty much dead. Alright, I'm just going to use what I have here. Yeah, it's good. I think it's dead. I do have some thyme from the freezer. Let's see how this is looking. Yeah, it's looking real nice. Alright, let's get the side seared up. Alright, right now it's at 98 degrees. I'm going to turn the burner all the way down Do as low as I can. And I'm going to throw in my garlic. It's starting to smell real nice. Okay. And I'm going to toss in my thyme. And toss in a nice piece of butter in here. We'll start basting this. Look at that. Let me pour the butter here into a separate bowl. Not going to discard this. Alright, let's get the chicken cooked. Alright, I'm going to set this to a high. Let's get the skin really crispy first. So I'm going to do skin down. I still haven't decided what sauce I wanted to make, but I think I'm just going to make the garlic sauce again. The garlic ketchup sauce that I made the other day. Going to mix in a few things, including the chicken bouillon, ketchup, garlic powder, the fish sauce, and hoisin sauce. And I'm going to use the minced garlic here, and I'm also going to mince some fresh garlic as well. There's no recipe, so I'm just kind of freestyling here. And I'll go by taste. Alright, I'm gonna plate this. This is good to go. Alright, let's make the sauce real quick. Let's toss in the garlic. It's starting to brown. Alright, let's toss in the sauce here. Let me add some cornstarch and water to thicken this sauce here. There's a nice and cast iron is actually really easy to clean. I'm just wiping it down. It's actually like super clean already. I don't even need to wash it actually. So just a wipe down. I love cast iron. Let's get your plate, Spence. We're gonna eat. Alright, here's our dinner for tonight.
Wait.
A nice dinner here. Let me cut into the steak here.
Can you cut? Can you cut?
Oh, look at this. Looking real nice. Trying it with the sauce.
Want to hear the crispy sound?
Is it crispy? Oh, I hear it. crunch, crunch. This dinner's looking pretty good. You liking it, Spence? Món quà đi nó shake. Try and shake. Nó sao sẽ phải cái. Để ăn không sao. Nếu dẫn mama hả? Hi mama.
Mama.
Mama, give you a kiss. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Tomorrow we're going to be heading into Joshua Tree National Park. If you guys want to watch that, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you guys enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that it can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye, Spence.
Papa.
Bye bye.
Papa. Come here.
Bye
Papa.
bye. Bye bye.